Hi guys, I'm Erica Evangelista from the Philippines and I have a question for Sir Nando Parado. Well, sir, my question is, what do you think is the best motivational tool that I can use to help inspire the people here in the Philippines who lose their loved ones because of Typhoon Ondoy, especially the kids. At their young age, they lose their parents, and I know that it would be hard for them to accept that. I know the fact that I can fully eliminate the pain, but at least if you can help me, we can lessen the pain that they are feeling right now, can help them move on with their lives and start again. So I hope you can help me and thank you in advance uh, for your help.